Hey guys, welcome back to Quick Assist. Today I'm going to be showing you a quick way to find your apps. So say you don't have your apps on your dock, it's not on your desktop. All you have to do, now this works for most MacBooks, all the new ones for sure. All you have to do is go to the trackpad and use 4 fingers. And then so what we're going to do is just swipe like this. See? And then when you want to turn it off, you can also swipe out and then swipe in. So swipe in like a claw using 4 fingers, swiping in and swiping out. So then now I can find, like I want to use Illustrator, I want to use Claude, and then that'll pop up. And if you, once again, if you want to look for more apps, all you have to do is use these 4 fingers. Go ahead, swipe in, swipe out. Let me try to show you here. Swipe in and then swipe out, and then that will work. Okay, so once again, let's see if I can get a better angle. See how that works? Okay, so go ahead and try that at home. Here's a cool little shortcut for your trackpad and all you new MacBook users. Appreciate it. See you next time. Please like, subscribe, comment. Bye-bye.